Hello student, today we will study chapter pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. All personal pronouns are used for one of the three persons. First person, the person speaking I, me, we, us. I went to visit my grandparents yesterday with my father. My grandmother gave me a set of Amar Chitrakatha comics. We had soup, spring rolls, and noodles for dinner. My grandparents took us out for a drive after dinner. Second person, the person spoken to you. They asked me, "Will you have ice cream?" Question mark. Third person, the person spoken of, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. My grandfather had a mango ice cream. He loves mangoes. I hugged them and said thank you. Pronouns are of different kinds: personal, possessive, relative, interrogative, demonstrative, indefinite, reflexive, and emphatic. Kinds of pronouns. Personal pronouns are used for the three person, that is the first person, second person, and third person. Raman did not give us Malini's address. He gave us yours. When a pronoun is used as the subject of a verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. He is the subject of the verb. It answers the question, who gave you my address? When a pronoun is used as the object of a verb, it is said to be in the objective case. Us is the object of the verb. It answers the question, whom did he give the address to? When a pronoun denotes possessive, it is said to be in the possessive case. Yours is in the possessive case. It answers the question, whose address? Table of first, second, and third personal pronoun. Person pronoun. Singular, plural, subject, object, possessive, emphatic, reflexive. First person I, me, object me, possessive mine, myself. Second person you, yours, yourself. Third person he, him, his, himself. She, her, hers, herself. It, its, itself. In possessive you can see ss is the last word, except mine. Plural form, subject, object, possessive, emphatic, reflexive, we, us, ours, ourselves, you, yours, yourself. In plural form, they, them, theirs, themselves. In possessive you can see and you can learn in this way. Last word is s. Mine, ours, yours, his, her, theirs, and its are called possessive pronoun. It shows the last word s, except mine. Reflexive pronouns like myself, yourself, himself, itself, ourself, yourself, and themselves. So you can remember with the word self or self, self, self for singular, selves, self for plural, are used when the subject and the object are the same. Reflexive pronouns that are used to emphasize the action of the subject are called emphatic pronouns. When WH words are used to begin question, they function as pronoun because they are used in place of the noun that the question is about. When we talk about WH question, such pronouns are called interrogative pronouns. We use demonstrative pronouns like this, that, these, those to point out people or objects. Like words like some, anyone, someone, somebody, something, everyone, few, none, each, and every are also used in place of nouns. They are called indefinite pronouns. Filling the blanks with pronouns that refers to the underlined nouns. The teacher left 2 books here. Where are they? Radha gave me a piece of chocolate. I shall give it to you. Sahil is my elder brother. He gifted me a camera. My name is Nitin. I am your new physics teacher. Mr. Sampson, how are you? Our names are Shobha and Malu. We are sisters. A cat in the neighborhood has given birth to 5 kittens. They are very cute. Lavanya and Rudra have done very well in the math test. They have got full marks. Suresh will meet Aditya in the computer lab. They can exchange notebooks there. The children had a good time at their grandparents. They enjoyed themselves. Yesterday, Reshma had come to school with her mother. I saw them going into the principal's room. Shubit is going to the painting competition with his father. He will come back in the evening. Filling the blanks with suitable pronouns. Teacher, how do you spell psychology? Psychology. No, it's psychology. Maybe ma'am have asked me how you spell it and that's how he spell it. Teacher, can you tell me what happened in 1889? Student, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born in 1889. Teacher, good. Can you tell me what happened in 1909? It became 20 years old. I hope you will like this video. Thank you.